Hi, here's another tutorial on how to play key of D major scales. The notes in the key of D major scales are D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, and D. Remember those notes. The vertical line you see is representing the string of the ukulele. G, C, E, A. G is facing the ceiling and A is facing the floor when you're holding your ukulele like this. The that you see here are a reminder that you're on the 5th fret and the 7th fret and the 3rd fret. So for me, I make sure that I write a note to remind me of which string and which fret to touch in a key of D. I'm gonna guide you how to touch or pluck your ukulele. Make sure that your fingernails are trimmed and your hand is practiced to be soft. Okay? Note of D, 2nd string, 2nd fret. Note of E, 3rd string, 0th fret. Note of F sharp, 3rd string, 2nd fret. G note is 3rd string, 3rd fret. The 5th note is 4th string, 0th fret. The 6th note is B, 4th string, 2nd fret. The 5th note is C sharp, 4th string, 4th fret. And the last note is D, 4th string, 5th fret. You see the dot? It's there. Now you play it forward and backward to help you remember the notes and say the note. Again. The more you practice, the more your hand will be softer and easier to reach for the fret and the string. Practice is the key, so you will learn something new. Thank you.